Shalom. Kembali lagi dengan Haruku TV.
Wow.
Kali ini kita akan traveling kemana, Bapak Raja?
Ke Denmark. Langsung ke Santorini, Greece Santorini.
Oke, jadi jangan lupa subscribe the channel.
Yeah.
Orang Haruku sekarang hilang di
Santorini.
Denmark. Santorini. I'll see you.
Alright. Thank you.
Orang Haruku jangan sampai hilang di Copenhagen. Kita udah hilang di Disneyland.
Jadi kita sekarang ini akan menuju ke Denmark, Copenhagen. After Copenhagen, we're gonna go to
Greece.
Greece, Santorini.
Oke. Ikuti terus, oke? Nanti
Jadi,
kita update.
Kita update lagi.
Jadi kita update satu perjalanan biar kagak bingung.
Ya.
Ya.
Karena ke Disneyland aja hilang.
Kayaknya orang Haruku hilang di mana-mana, men.
Makanya ingat nggak cerita saya Jamaika, ya itu dia.
Oke, ikuti. Alright.
Ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Oke, selamat pagi teman-teman. Kita baru sampai di Denmark, Copenhagen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Ikuti terus, nanti kita akan kasih perkembangannya. First day in our traffic. Oke. See you. Guten Morgen, selamat pagi. Good morning.
Good morning. Terima kasih. Kembali.
Nih.
Kita kan check-in di hotel kan jam 11, jam 3.
Sekarang kita udah sampai di Copenhagen. Sekarang kita mau ke hotel, menuju hotel. Ikuti terus, kita mau naik taksi. Oke.
Makan basahan, Han, basah,
Yes.
Itu sana tuh orang lagi naik sana.
Iya, nanti kita naik sana.
Han, basah.
Wah,
Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi dengan Haruku hilang di mana-mana.
sekarang lagi hilang di Copenhagen.
Sekarang
Denmark.
kita lagi ada di Copenhagen downtown.
Ya, Denmark.
Kita
Ya.
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen. Kata istri saya Copenhagen.
Wow.
Jadi inilah kota Copenhagen. Bung Max bicara dulu.
Sekarang ini kita lagi mau ke tempat
Tour.
di
Boat tour.
di boat tour. Jadi kita jalan sekitar 15 menit ya.
Ya.
15 menit dari sini ke tempat itu, terminal itu, langsung kita naik situ. Langsung kita akan lanjutkan kembali di sana sebentar lagi, oke?
Ya.
Oke.
Vacation,
Baiklah, ini kita merayakan yang Oktober birthday.
Oh ya,
Ya.
both them.
Oktober birthday,
Ya.
Usi Pora dan
Usi Ula.
Ula.
yeah.
Usula.
Oke, inilah kota Copenhagen. Oh ya.
Mereka biar mereka tunggu kita.
Sepeda tuh.
Oke, ikuti terus. Nanti kita sambung lagi pas di kapal.
kita sambung lagi.
See you.
Oke.
Inilah suasana Copenhagen di sore hari. Ini gedung government. Itu
Copenhagen. Denmark.
ada di Denmark. Hei, keluar nih.
Wah ini bagus ini. Oh jangan kita, oh jangan.
Ini kita lagi jalan di downtown. Itu lagi downtown. Itu downtownnya Copenhagen. Ini ada turis lokal di belakang lagi foto-foto. Itu terus, oke? Jadi ini Han, itu di mana nih Han?
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen. Oke. Kita ketemu lagi.
Oke,
Kita mau
sekarang
update
ini kita berada di
the famous river
the famous river in the Copenhagen.
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen, that's in the big in the city.
Yeah. Jadi nanti ikuti terus channel kita.
Kita punya vlog terus,
Vlog
kita
terus.
sampai kita naik di
Boat.
di boat kita mau ke boat di sebelah sana.
Yap.
Di river ini kita akan jalan sini.
Mantap.
Tapi sini banyak buaya, hati-hati banyak buaya.
Ikuti terus, oke?
Oke.
Bye. City of Copenhagen.
Ah, udah laki sama laki. Kita harus curiga aja.
Jalan-jalan sore ke Copenhagen, cari kopi-kopi.
Kita yang penting udah ada tahu kok ada kok kan. Kalau makan panas. Hai, terima kasih Ula.
Terima kasih. Sekarang kita lagi mau naik.
Jangan terima kasih dulu.
Kita mau lagi mau naik boat.
Lagi mau naik boat.
Naik boat, itu boatnya lagi jalan.
Nah, ini
Kita ada di
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen Canal. Copenhagen Canal. Ya, Copenhagen Canal.
Enak.
Jangan sampai orang nyerang kita.
Iya. Jadi ikuti terus, nanti kalau udah naik kapal baru kita cerita lagi, oke?
Jauh-jauh tetap nyari bakmi. Panas-panas ntar kita makan bakso. Baksonya makanya di Denmark. Copenhagen.
Inilah buatnya.
Lagi dingin.
Dingin.
Ini ada hujan sedikit.
Nah, inilah suasana dalam kanal boat.
Suasana begini.
Kanal boat. Satu lagi minum susu. Satu lagi makan roti. Inilah kanal boat. Kanal boat kayak di Nederland, kurang lebih. Jalan. Itu terus nanti kita update. Kalau di ini banyak orang-orang bule.
The bridge, please remain seated.
Nah,
Thank you.
kapal kita di jalan nih guys.
Ya. Mami udah kirim duit udah kan? Thank you sayang. Alright. So how's ending?
Popular place to go and drink beer and rent kayaks. I especially like to talk about the green kayaks that they rent out. If you go and rent a green kayak and if you agree to pick up garbage along the canals, they give you a garbage bin. And if you find enough garbage to fill up your garbage bin, well, you get the rental for free. Good initiative. His neighbor, because he was a young ambitious city architect working for the king, King Frederick V, and he was still living back at the Christiansborg Castle back there where we left from. So when Eichler was tasked with building this beautiful white warehouse here on our right here for the East Asiatic Trading Company, he put a lot of effort into building this building here to be as beautiful, as impressive as possible. No expenses spared. He knew that the king was looking at him, and he.
Lewat dulu ya?
Oh, I spotted a bit of good luck being spread on this
Kissing
one. That's good.
Kissing Bridge.
In the meantime, on the left here, we have the new Harbor Canal here, this very important tourist area here. We will not sail in there because the last thing they need in there is another boat adding to the traffic jam. But it's a 10 minutes easy walk from where we drop you off. New Harbor Canal, how long time can we call something new here in We chose Shakespeare's Hamlet. Why? Well, Shakespeare being famous, and Hamlet takes place here in Denmark. It takes place up in Elsinore, over the castle of Kronborg. Hamlet is a Danish prince, however fictional. And there's a line in Hamlet that everyone knows. To be or not to be. I get to say it 7 times a day. I'm looking forward to showing you this hidden gem in Copenhagen. But to go there, we have to go through a small residential area where we have promised people we will be quiet. So after this next low bridge, I will put down the mic for a few minutes. Low bridge, please remain seated. Thank you.
Apa? Dia nggak ngerti.
Sekarang ini kita ada di Copenhagen Canal. So, untuk kita naik boat sekarang kita ada dalam boat.
Sama dia.
Tapi kita mesti hati-hati, kadang-kadang bisa tenggelam di sini.
Cebur, berenang. Bisa berenang nggak? Oh, bisa ngambang dia.
You might as well just sort of pointed at the building to the left and you saw the waterway going all the way up through it. Probably used to repair the people.
Berhubung orang ini bicara, rumah bicara nggak ada yang ngerti, jadi kita lanjutin lagi.
On the right here, we have the Swedish armed exchange, the biggest fleet in the world, but we lost it in the war with the British. So we had to rebuild our fleet. We couldn't build a similar fleet. We didn't have the resources to do so. At the time, the money, we didn't even have the wood. We even call that mountain the Sky Mountain. So what can we do with a building like this? Well, we have used it to build a ski slope. So now you can go skiing in the middle of Copenhagen all year round on top of Copenhagen. But you see there in front of the crane there. The name is the Seehester, one of the Willemoes class fast attack crafts that we had a group of in the Danish Navy during the Cold War. They were considered very capable of weapon platforms. They were considered the summertime. The sun rises here in Copenhagen at 4:30 in the morning. You do not get popular with your neighbors firing cannons at 4:30. So it has been decided that the sun rises here in Copenhagen at 8 o'clock. Problem solved. Said it twice, had her arm sawn off once, pink thrown at her many times, and other shenanigans, but we always managed to get her back.
Little Mermaid.
Stronger than ever, you can say.
Little Mermaid lagi sidang. Lihat Little Mermaid.
I'm fortunate enough to live out here in this area of Copenhagen, here close by the Little Mermaid. I do recommend that you see her from the land, but even more so that you come out here and visit this green area that you now see behind. It's called Kastellet in Danish, the citadel in English. It's one of the world's oldest military fortifications, and it's a very charming area of Copenhagen, complete with ramparts. Coming here on the right, Maersk Shipping Line, one of the biggest shipping lines in the world. They take care of about 17% of all goods being carried around the world being carried on Maersk's blue ships. However, there is another company called the MS where the royal family lives. The main board here consists of 4 mansions built during the 1750s. Originally, they were built as winter homes for 4 noble families, but when Christiansborg Castle burned down in 1794, Northern Europe. And you can draw a line from the Marble Church over the Christian statue of King Frederick V, and all the way over the water, you see that you end up right in the middle of the opera. A coincidence? No, of course not. That is by design, that is by request, completing the axis of power. And the gift of the opera here, Mads McKinney Møller, he was himself gifted back in the year 2000 by the Queen, the Order of the Elephant. That is the highest acclaim that you can get here in Denmark. Only ever been given to 8 non-head of states. When I look at the opera here, I like to tell people that actually knows anything.
So this is like a house?
Here in the beginning here we have a few small houseboats. The bigger concentration of houseboats, they are further north and further south in the harbor, where you can get bigger slips for less money.
Oh, okay.
So within here, approximately 20 small houseboats.
It's a boat house.
Guide assistant Maya.
Beta sini susah.
Ya kan? Ito, April, Abi pulang dari Indo kan?
It gets reflected up into the building. And all through the day in different weather conditions, it has different reflection effects. I especially like to pass it on a sunny morning. But alongside the campsite translates into Old Beach. Archaeological excavation has shown that people have been living here as early as the Stone Age, and definitely from the time.
Hello again! Ini kita di downtown. Mana po?
di downtown Copenhagen.
Copenhagen.
Denmark.
Denmark.
Sekarang ini ada di sama kayak di apa nih di London juga di mereka ada apa
Ya, Tante Louis.
Piccadilly Circus ya hampir sama
Ada
itu.
Tante Louis, ada
Ya,
Tante Hermes.
Tante Louis, Tante Hermes,
Apalagi itu?
James.
Tulisannya Eropa.
Tuh.
Itu si Urang.
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa.
Remes.
Jimen.
Remes.
Itu.
Bukan Hermes tapi remes.
Kayak bingung guys.
Terima.
Sekarang tuh kan.
Suruh masuk ke kremes jadi batuk-batuk deh.
Dingin sekarang dingin.
Sekarang kan di mana-mana. Tuhan Yesus, terima kasih.
Oke.
Dengan yang segini, kita mengucap syukur. Segala hal,
Amin.
masih bernapas, jantung masih berdetak, mengucap syukur. Terima kasih sama Pak Pernel, anak Ibu Pernel. Iya, gitu.
Jangan lupa si kaca kecil.
Dia tanya.
Ya. Jauh-jauh ke Denmark Copenhagen cuma buat makan. Pak. Ya, ini kita malam-malam di stasiun kereta di Copenhagen. Nah, ini stasiun kereta Copenhagen, ke hotel kita. Copenhagen. Hey. Cari-cari yang hangat-hangat. Oke. Inilah suasana malam di Copenhagen. Itu kantor SAS. Ini di plazanya downtown. Sekitar jam berapa sekarang? 12. Setengah 12 lah. Setengah 12 malam. Jadi nggak bisa tidur. Jalan. Oke, ini Tivoli Park. Nih, Tivoli Park, Copenhagen. Tivoli Park. See that? Tivoli Park. Copenhagen. Pinocchio. Inilah suasana malam di Copenhagen downtown. Pula lihat malam nggak bisa tidur, jalan deh. Sama malam. Heineken, born in Amsterdam, raised by the world. Taki. Oke, ini di daerah apa nih, downtown ya, downtown Skandinavia. Nah, itu Hostel Cardiff. Ini gedung parlemen. Oke. luar biasa. Berkat Tuhan. Haleluya. Mana? Sekalian. Okay. See you. Yeah, this is Scandic Palace Hotel. See? Scandic. Tivoli Park. Mami lagi walking around nyari hot dog. Malam-malam cari hot dog di Copenhagen.
It differs, but everything should be over there.
Oke, malam-malam makan hot dog.
I know. We're gonna go to Greece in the morning. Greece.
Aten.
Like in the day? You have time to?
Wow, what you eat, Mom?
Hot dog.
This is mine. And this is, I'm sorry, it's for my vlog. Is it the hot dog? Yes. There you go.
Kakaknya coba.
More?
Ya.
Nah, di zoom.
Selamat pagi.
As.
Guten Morgen.
Nyonya dan Tuan. Pernah.
Mana Bapak Raja Haruku, mana Bapak Raja Haruku?
Ini di sini.
Ah,
Biasa.
jadi kita di mana nih?
Sekarang ini kita ada di pusat kota.
Ini City Hall.
City Hall-nya ini pusat kota lah.
Ya.
Jadi kita jalan pagi, kita mau cari makan pagi kan di sini jam 4.45 lah.
Ya.
Jam 4.45 di sini pagi-pagi kita cari makan. Karena ada yang semua booking juga 24 jam.
Dan begini Bang. Dan jalannya City Hall.
Di hall tuh. Kita bayangkan itu. Hall City. City Hall, Hall City.
Ya.
Di belakang di samping kita sini. Ya.
Ya. Ikuti terus, oke?
Ikuti kita terus, oke, sampai kita sampai di Santorini.
Oke.
Oke.
Mantap.